In this video, I will show you how to earn $300 every hour from PayPal online by watching YouTube videos. Let's go to YouTube right now and search for the plank tutorial. There are so many mixed results. You can also see that these types of videos have thousands and thousands of views. Now let's use these videos to earn money. What you want to do is go to Google and select advoc.us, then hit the search button. There are many results you can see here, but I want you to click on this one first. This is the homepage of the website. Here you can cover some URL and share them on the internet and earn a lot of money. So let's try this. Go to YouTube. Let's use this video right here. As an example, scroll down and you'll find this share button right here. I want you to click on the share button so that you can see the YouTube link where you can share it on the internet, and every time people click on this link here, they are directed to this exact video. Once you've copied the link, I want you to go back to Advoc and then paste your link here. This website basically converts a long URL into a short URL. You will earn a lot when someone clicks on your link. If people from USA click on your link, you will earn more than $20. If people from UK click on your link, you will earn more than $10. A very good opportunity to earn money online is just sharing a simple link on the internet. Now I will show you how to sign up for a free account on this website. You can just continue by clicking on the register button here. Then this window will open saying join Advoc. All you have to do is type the required information such as email and password. Just click on this I am not a robot and mark this box and then click on the join now button. Before continuing with the video, be sure to subscribe us and press the bell button to stay informed about our tutorial. After logging into your account, you can see this message right here saying update your account information to get paid. It is important to keep your account up to date so that you can receive money when you pay your earnings. Just click on the account setting link here and it will take you to a page that says account information. This is where you can update your account information. Just type your name, address, city, state, zip code and country. As you can see here, they are available worldwide. You can now process and fill in the required information. When you are done, just click on this update information. This website pays using PayPal, so that is very convenient and easy for you. When you update your information, you can scroll down under the automatic withdrawal sections. You can read it here where you can enable this option to automatically request a payment each month. It's very important for you to enable this option here. So after you click on enable, click on update setting button. So we'll show you which payout rates by country you'll earn more than $20 when people from the United States click on your link, and when people from Nepal, for example, click on your link, you will earn more than $1. That's a $19 difference and it's really big. Here you can see that there are many viral videos for planking. For example, let's scroll down to the bottom of this video and click on the share button. Then this window will open. Copy it. Now let's go back to advoc.us and paste the link into this right here. When you paste the link, we want to click on this button. this website automatically shortens the link that sticks. We want you to repeat this method 5 times. I want you to find 5 video and shorten their links. The next thing you want to go is go to this website called frombodybuilding.com. A very popular website because many people come here and learn how to lose weight and be healthy. When you scroll down, you can see many posts here on exercise therapy and how to stay healthy. Many people are making some posts on this website. Here you can see example of each post. Many people are reviewing this post here. For example, many of these have more than 100,000 hits on this website. The first thing I want you to do when you go is click here. Here you can see that you can actually choose different countries. Now I want to click on USA because when people from USA click on your link, you will earn more than $20, and that's pretty amazing. For example, this post here, you can click on it to find out what's hot right now and learn more about this post. Here you can see where people make posts that lead to videos. This is a very good way to get traffic and get lots of people around the world to click on your link.